Hey guys, we're live at 11:45, battling for Mike's Chewbacca mask. There it is. I got 50 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random here in just a moment to find our winner. Paste them in here. One true 50. Got to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Got a 4 there, so I'm rolling again. There's a 6 there. We're good to play. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Maria, round 1. Scott, 2 and 3. Maria, round 4. Scott, round 5 in a 2-horse race thus far. Our winner is Scott in at number 19. Congrats, Scott. Here's the verification code. XPHRCD. Scott in at number 19 is the champ. I'm done at 11:46. There you have it. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to the winner. See you guys. Thanks.